Hi everyone, this is Danielle Presley and this is my pineapple pink mock-ups. So we're going to look at the clothing tags first. First one we have here, I actually went and put the darker logo on the lighter pink to just kind of give it that contrast, make it pop. And I brought the pink over onto the back. You can see here with the purple accenting what size it is. Primarily used the Fortuna font, with the exception being here at the bottom for the price. And again, there's the copy of the logo. This one, second one, I'm going to show y'all kind of what I did. I have it down here. So just kind of moving this up, kind of giving y'all the final. I moved it and now I don't know where any of it went. This one, I don't, just kind of a simpler look, maybe more modern. I wanted to incorporate more of the colors. As you can tell with the red outline, I don't know what happened with my font. When I struggled a lot to rotate it. I ended up actually having to directly use the rotating tool over here, and not using it from here, because when I did it from the box itself, it wouldn't rotate the letters. So we're just gonna adjust this a little bit. But I like this. I think it's just real simple. This one, I just wanted to make it just more on the back, at least more minimalistic. Kind of adjusting things as I go. So I didn't do the size, or I did the sizes, but I didn't incorporate like the bubbles or anything like that. I actually changed it up, and just the large is actually a capital L while the others are lowercase. Gonna. Ooh. Okay. And because I had a little more space to play with, since I was going for something a bit more minimalistic, you know, when I put the website again here at the bottom above the link, or above the barcode, my bad. Maybe move that up a little bit. Again, I kept the price there at the bottom. With the exception of the sizing, I actually went the Futura medium all the way through. And then for my last one, similar to the first one, but I actually went and played with the opacity on these. Like, these are, I think this is 60. What else? Boxes are freaking out. Cool. This one I wanted to actually bring or incorporate more of the color while playing with the opacity on. So nothing is at 100 with the exception of the barcode and the price here at the bottom. I don't know, it's just real soft, real clean, and I liked it. Instead of like continuing with the pink on the back, though, I went with the purple, so they agreed more with each other. So these are the neck labels. I just went ahead and did black for all of them, because it's the color is something you'll have to play with and change based on the shirt itself. So, I wanted a larger logo here, and then I have the website. I kept the website so that it kind of stuck out. Kept it in the Futura, while these are the the oh, I am Bodoni. And then here we have the symbols. This one's similar, it's just more laid out, more stretched out, more width. Um, Kept it all the same font with the exception of what's in the logo itself, just to kind of keep it real clean. And this one, I wanted something a little more compact originally. You can kind of see what I had going on. Just I'm not entirely happy with this design because I feel like okay, there we go. You know, there's a lot of space between where I had the excuse me, the website, and then these all lined up here at the bottom. Move this. I think I had this one down. Just playing around with this a little bit, kind of adjusting it. Yeah, but this one was just a smaller, more compact sort of design. I think it's very neat. Again, I used the different font here at the website to, you know, make sure that pops out more and you're able to really, you know, it drives them to kind of look to the website. But those are my designs. Thank you. You have a good